Most people get this wrong and end up paying for HBO Max twice or wasting time searching the App Store when nothing shows up. Here's the truth no one tells you. The problem is not your TV or Spectrum service. It's how HBO Max access is bundled and activated in 2026. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get HBO Max on Spectrum step by step, how to check if your plan includes it, and how to fix activation issues fast so everything works on your first try. Let's start right away. First, you need to confirm if your Spectrum plan includes HBO Max. Open your Spectrum account through the app or website. Go to the Services or Entertainment Add-ons section. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some Spectrum packages include HBO Max as part of a promotional bundle, while others require you to subscribe separately. If you skip this step, you might waste time trying to activate something you do not actually have access to. Next, if HBO Max is included, you will usually see an activation option, or a link that says Activate HBO Max, or Start your subscription. Click it. This will redirect you to the official HBO Max activation page. Do not go directly to the HBO Max app first. That is one of the most common mistakes users make. Now you will be asked to sign in using your Spectrum account. Use the same login credentials that you use for your billing. This is important because it links your Spectrum subscription to your HBO Max access automatically. But here's the problem many users run into. The activation page sometimes fails to load or keeps redirecting back to login. If that happens, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Also make sure you are fully signed into your Spectrum account before clicking the activation link again. Once activation is complete, download the HBO Max app on your smart TV, phone, or streaming device. Sign in using the HBO Max account that was created during activation. You should now see full access unlocked immediately. If you do not see an activation option at all, it usually means your plan does not include HBO Max. In that case, you can still add it manually through Spectrum's add-ons section and complete the same activation process. Quick recap. Check your Spectrum plan first. Activate through the official Spectrum link. Sign in using your Spectrum credentials. Fix loading issues by switching browsers or networks. Then log into the HBO Max app to confirm access. That's it. You now have HBO Max working on Spectrum without confusion, extra charges, or activation errors. If this helped, like the video, comment where you got stuck, and subscribe for more simple streaming setup guides just like this.